Hey there, how are you? This is Tym Moss with Blizzard Update. Or Hercules, I think they called it. Hercules. It is like January 3rd, obviously the first major snowstorm. Everybody, the news was just freaking out with, oh my God, a snowflake! It's gonna snow! I am so tired of that. It's January. Yes, it's gonna snow. Yes, we're gonna drift. Yes, we're gonna get some dumpings, but get over it. My God, it's winter. That happens in winter. Everybody's like running to the store to get like bread and eggs and milk. Oh my. I don't know. I guess they're making a lot of omelet sandwiches or something. I don't get it. But anyway, here it is. We did get hit, yeah, but I'm up on the rooftop of the building that I live in. And so, of course, I always have to do a blizzard dance. So here it is. So that is my blizzard dance for January 3rd, 2014. Stay safe. I'm going back inside because it's freezing up here.